While Apple's next iPhone is still likely at least 3 months off, the rumor mill is already in full swing, with details about the new smartphone leaking out all over the place. Apple's next iPhones are expected to retain the same all-screen design as their predecessors, meaning no home button, touch sensor or headphone jack. Design. The body of the phones will be made from glass and metal to enable wireless charging, and will have a notch at the top of the screen to house the TrueDepth camera for Face ID. Camera. Apple is reportedly working on a triple-lens rear camera system, which will include one wide, one telephoto, and one ultra-wide lens, according to 9to5Mac. An earlier report by Taiwan's Economic Daily News claimed that the triple camera system would be made up of three 12-megapixel lenses, and would be capable of a 5x zoom effect. However, Ming Chi Kuo claims that only the 6.5-inch model will get the new camera system. The 6.1-inch and 5.8-inch models will have dual and single-lens cameras respectively. Charging. There has been much speculation about whether Apple's iPhone 11 could feature a USB-C charging port, instead of the Lightning port used on current models. USB-C is the universal standard connector used to charge a wide range of electronic gadgets, from Android phones to tablets and laptops, and allows these devices to charge up much faster than previous versions of USB, which could only handle a limited amount of power. Meanwhile, other rumors suggest that Apple's next iPhone will be able to beam power to other gadgets wirelessly. Battery. In order to support two-way wireless charging, Kuo says that all three new iPhones will also get bigger batteries. The analyst predicts that the 5.8-inch iPhone's battery will increase by 20 to 25%, and the 6.5-inch iPhone Max's battery will increase by 10 to 15%. The battery in the 6.1-inch iPhone, the successor to the iPhone XR, will increase by just 0 to 5%, according to Kuo. Colors. Apple is rumored to be adding 2 new colors to its iPhone lineup this year, in an attempt to entice customers to upgrade. Thanks for watching.